for you right there. Here we are, FCX on the opening bell. We traded it on Friday. We are finally starting to bounce a little bit off of the index bottoms with heavy selling. When we featured this long this morning in pre-market, right, Fritz? So, and you're learning this. You're live right now. And Fritz, as long as this stays up here toward 100, I'm going to let that thing run. And as long as this keeps going in my direction, I'm going to let that thing run. And that's the gift. Now, each line, Fritz, is 12 cents. There's the big left elbow gap down. There's the big left elbow gap down. That's how you trade these with the application. And we are burning off of that bottom. We'll go up and make a top at some point, and then we'll have a reversal. If the reversal is contracted in teeny value here, then that means that the whole left elbow gap down consolidation, when we do pull back, would be very strong. Okay? And a very big down market, people came right in the open and bought this. That concludes the left elbow gap down live entry trade on FCX and everything that happens here with the application and everything that happens, that this half bar right here, when we get up here, and if this thing falls below 85, then it's going to go lower. So who's calling me? Somebody keeps calling me, and I don't know. They must be calling me on this one. So when this drops, Fritz, you take profits when it does finally start to drop. And we always give it, here's the half bar. It's 47.65. It's below it, 47.57 by 58. So if you had 500 shares, you're selling half of it into the strength. And so scaling out with volume management is key, and taking profits.